Hello kids. Today we are going to start with our chapter number 11 in our grammar book, which is use of a and they. Kids, a and the are known as articles. Articles a and the. Let's see the use of a and the, where to use a, where to use an, and where to use the or the. First of all, kids, we will see the use of a and n. A and n. Kids, always remember we will use a and n both before a singular noun. When the noun is singular, only single in number, we are going to use either a or n. Noun should be only one. Like here, one pencil. So we will use a pencil. One sketch pen, a sketch pen. One sharpener, so a sharpener. Here all the objects are one in number, so we are using a before them. Let's see few more example. A cat, a table, an apple, an umbrella. Here kids, you can see all these objects are single in number. A cat, one cat. A table, one table. One apple and one umbrella. So that's why we are using either a or an. A or n. But where to use a and where to use n? कहाँ यूज करें a को और n को कहाँ यूज करना है? Let's see. वो अभी हम देखेंगे. Before this, kids, you should know that a and n both are known as indefinite article. Why indefinite? Because here kids, we are not talking about any particular thing. We are not sure about the thing which we are talking about. कोई भी चीज़ जिसके बारे में हम sure नहीं हैं. Like a cat is there on the table. So here I'm not sure which color of cat is that, whose cat is that, but a cat is there on the table, that I'm aware. So kids, whenever things are not particular, we are not sure about them, we will use a and the. Okay, and both will be used before a singular noun. So kids, let's see the use of a and n. Kids, we will always use a before all the singular noun which are starting with a consonant sound. All the noun which are starting with a consonant sound. And n before all the noun which are starting with a vowel sound. Vowel. In English, we have 5 vowel. A, E, I, O, U. All of you know that A, E, I, O, U, 5 vowel are there in English. So all the singular noun which are starting with the sound of vowel, we will use what? N. N. And all the singular noun which are starting with a consonant sound, we are going to use A. So let's see few example. Temple. Here kids, temple is written, temple sound T, T, sound of T. T is consonant. So consonant sound is here. So we are going to use A. A temple. Room. Again kids, R. Sound of consonant R. So we are going to use again a room. Look at this example. Useful. U. And sound of Y. Here kids, first letter is vowel. U is vowel. But here sound is useful. 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 So sound is of consonant. So here we are going to use a useful thing. Unicorn, sound is of Y. Again, sound of Y. Unicorn, sound of Y. Y is consonant. So again we are going to use a unicorn. Let's see few example of N. Eagle. Eagle, sound of E. E is vowel, so an eagle. Ice cream. I scream. Again, sound of vowel. An ice cream. Honest. Here kids, this word is starting with consonant, but here H is silent. So sound is honest. O, honest. And here vowel sound is in honest, so we are going to use an honest. Umbrella. Umbrella. Here you can see sound is U. Umbrella. So we are going to use N. Umbrella. So kids, wherever the sound is of vowel, we are going to use N. And where the sound is of consonant, we are going to use A. You can take it in a simple way. The word which is starting with a consonant, generally we use A. But sometimes like this word starting with the vowel, but we are using A because the sound in useful is of Y. Sound is of Y, not of U. So here we again in unicorn, same sound is of Y. So that's why we are using a unicorn. So you have to be careful kids. You have to check out. आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि sound अगर consonant का है then you will use A, and if the sound is of vowel then we are going to use N. Now see where to use the or the. The is known as definite article. When we are sure about the things, we talk about the things which are particular. So there we are going to use the. The is used for both singular as well as plural thing. Let's see few example where we are going to use the. First, we use the for particular things. Particular things. Let's see example. Close dash window. If I'm asking you close window, so here I'm very much sure that I'm talking about a particular window कि इस window को बंद कर दो. So here we are using the. Close the window. We will not use close a window. Why? Because we are sure कि हम कौन सी window की बात कर रहे हैं. हमें पता है कि ये ही window बंद करनी है. So close the window. Okay. So about particular things we are sure, or if we are talking about particular things we will use the. Next is we will use the before some proper noun. Before some proper noun like name of oceans, name of rivers, name of monuments like Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, name of trains like the Shatabdi, name of all the holy books like the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible. We will use the. Few examples. Dash Ramayana is about Lord Rama. So here Ramayana is holy book. So we are going to write the Ramayana. Okay. Next, before unique things, kids, the things which are unique, only one, इस दुनिया में सिर्फ एक ही हो, यूनिक ही हो, तो उसके लिए हमेशा the यूज होगा. Like dash earth is round. So earth एक ही है यूनिवर्स में. The earth is round. Sun, again sun is unique, only one in this world. The sun is shining, so we will use the before that. And last is before a noun which is talked about a second time. Kids, if we are talking about a noun and we are talking about that in second time, we will use the. Let's see how. If I'm talking about a basket, I have a basket. Here kids, I'm talking about a basket. I have a basket. Again in my next sentence, I'm talking dash basket is green in color. So second time I'm talking about the same basket. उसी basket के बारे में मैं दूसरी बार आपको बता रही हूँ, second time बता रही हूँ. Then we are talking the same noun about the same noun second time. So here I'm going to use the. I have a basket. The basket is green in color. So here this is how we are going to use the. So I hope this is clear kids, how we are going to use a, an and the. Thank you.